Hey Bitonio, thanks for hoping on this call. I wanted to talk about the group project if that's okay.
Of course, Libadisos, what's on your mind?
I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed. It seems like I've been handling most of the slides and research lately, and I'm finding it hard to keep up.
I didn't realize you fit the way I thought we were splitting things evenly. I've been busy with other subjects, but I still tired to contribute.
I get that, and I know we're all juggling things. I just felt like we didn't plan the task clearly enough, which led to some imbalance.
That's fair. I'm sorry if I feel like I left you hanging. Maybe we can redistribute the remaining tasks now.
That would be great. How about you handle the conclusion and final edits? I'll finish the next section.
Deal. Let's also set mini deadlines so we're both on track.
Perfect. I'm glad we talked. Thanks, Bitonio.
Likewise, Libadisos, let's finish this strong.